In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the language in Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to customize your Google Maps language, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. To start, open the Google Maps app and tap on your profile at the top right. Navigate to Settings, located midway down the menu. Scroll through the options and find Voice Search at the bottom. Here, you can change the language specifically for voice search, providing one way to customize the language setting. Additionally, all labels and information on Google Maps correspond to the language set on your phone. To modify this, access your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Then, locate Language at the bottom. By adding a new language and setting it as your primary language, you can switch the entire Google Maps interface to the selected language. By adjusting these settings, you can seamlessly transform the language of Google Maps to suit your preferences or new location. For more detailed instructions and additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. I hope this guide was informative for you. If you found it helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more tutorials.